As a designer or architect, your vision transforms spaces. But translating that vision into reality shouldn't be slowed down by time, cost, or limitations in materials. Meet Bodaq Interior Film, a revolutionary self-adhesive solution that gives you the freedom to reimagine any surface. Walls, doors, ceilings, furniture, almost anything can be wrapped and renewed with ease. With over 450 realistic patterns, from natural wood and marble to leather, fabric, and metal, Bodaq delivers a premium look and feel without the cost and mess of traditional renovation. It's Class A, fire-rated, eco-friendly, and installs cleanly, often in just hours. Whether you're working on a commercial space, a hospitality project, or high-end residential design, Bodaq lets you stay on budget, on schedule, and on brand. Now, enjoy a look at real before and after projects and see the stunning difference made in just one day. Bring your creative ideas to life faster, cleaner, and smarter. Explore the possibilities with Bodaq Interior Film.